If you want to feel great every day, make this super easy 3-ingredient health drink. Just take chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, put them in a bowl, and then you're going to add a cup of water and let these chia seeds soak. They're going to become gelatinous, and it's really great for your digestive system. Chia seeds super high in quality fiber, so you'll feel full. You won't want to eat too much after this. Let these hang out 15-20 minutes, soak up all that water. In the meantime, grab a cucumber, about 250 grams, peel it down. Once the cucumber is washed and peeled, just run your knife through it. Don't go too crazy because we're going to blend this up. So just cut them into chunks so it fits into your blender. Throw the cucumber in there, and then there's only one more ingredient to this dish. We're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. I really like the taste of lemons. Sometimes I'll use 2 lemons, but 1 is good enough. Just add a touch more water. This way when you blend the cucumber, everything blends nicely. This drink is a great way to start your day. It will keep you full longer. It's going to give you energy throughout the day. And just consistently have this as often as you can. Try to have this once a day, a few times a week. You will be feeling great in no time. Take those soaked chia seeds, add it to the blended cucumber and lemon, and this drink will be ready to go. Put a straw in there, give it a mix. I use these boba tea straws to get all the chia seeds up. That's it. Enjoy this health drink. See you in the next video.